Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to draw an ice cream cone and a popsicle. So first you're going to need something to draw with. I have a marker. You can use a pen, pencil, or marker, maybe even a crayon. And I have something to draw on, a piece of paper. Let's get started. So first let's do the ice cream cone. So first, in the middle of your paper, you can draw a half of a circle, like this. I think I'll make it a little taller, like this. Then under the half of the circle that you just made, you draw you draw like ovals. You just go like squiggly, like this, on the bottom. And next, inside the ice cream scoop that you just drew, you can draw some like rectangles for sprinkles. Like this. Sprinkles are pretty big because I have a marker. And under the sprinklers, not quite to the bottom, you can do like a line going like this. That's like the chocolate, like some chocolate sauce on it. If you want, it's optional. You can color it in. It can be any sauce you want. And then for the cone, it's super easy. It's kind of let's say triangle, an upside down triangle. And then I'm going to do some lines going like this. Then I'm going to do the same thing, but on the other side. Like this, and it makes this like pattern. It's kind of how a cone looks. And that's it. That's the ice cream cone. And now, let's color it in. Let's see. I'm going to use brown. It's going to be kind of like chocolate. You can do whatever color you want. It can be any sauce or anything you want. And it says sprinkles. You can put strawberries. You can put anything you want. Be really creative. And sprinkles, I'm going to just do different colors. Kind of like rainbow. Like different color for each sprinkle. We'll see. Maybe some sprinkles will be the same color. Alright. I'm going to do orange on one. I'm going to do yellow on one. And I'm going to do blue on one. You can do any color, or they can just be all the same color. I'm going to do red. Let's see. Ooh, green. Yes, let's do green. We have one sprinkle left. Let's see if I can put a different color in. I guess I'll just put, purple in. There we go. Purple's pretty dark, so let's go like this. Alright, now let's see what type of ice cream. I'm going to just leave it vanilla, leave the bottom white. Next I'm going to do the cone. Let's see, the cone can be like a light brownish. Kind of like I guess you could say kind of like a skin color, kind of. No, it's kind of more brown. Let me just use this brown, I guess. But make it really light. It's a light brownish, kind of. This isn't the exact right color, but it'll do. And that's it. Here's our cartoon cone. Now let's move on to the popsicle. I'm going to just draw the popsicle below the cone right here. So what you're going to do is it's going to be like, you're going to go up like this. Then you're going to curve. Kind of like this. Kind of curve on two sides. And you're just going to come down. Like this. I made it a little too fat, but that's okay. I'm going to just make it a little taller. Make these lines taller. There we go. Like this. Alright, now for the bottom, I'm going to just do a line across like this. This is how it looks. Alright, let's do the popsicle stick. A popsicle stick, you're going to just draw in the middle. It's going to be most of an oval, kind of like most of a fat-ish oval. Just kind of like that. And inside the popsicle that I just drew, I'm going to draw two circles. Like this. Inside those two circles, eyes that I drew, I'm going to draw two smaller circles. Like this. And under those, I'm going to draw two smaller circles. I'll show you. Like this. Let's go my cap. There goes my cap. Alright, I'm going to color in the eyes, but I'm going to leave the two smaller circles I drew uncolored. Like this. Now, if you want, it's optional. You can add some eyelashes. Eyes are optional too. Now, you can draw like a small smile. Like that. And under that, touch that. You can draw kind of like a little bit of a circle. So it looks like this. And if you want, you can add some cheeks. Like this. And you can also add some like chocolate, like syrup or whatever. By going like this. Like this. Looks kind of yummy. If you want, you can add sprinkles. Alright, now let's see. What will I add? I think I will add no sprinkles this time. Now let's color it. So the stick can be kind of like the cone, like a brownish, like a lightish brown. I'm using a pencil. You can use whatever you want. Alright, now the chocolate syrup, let's see, what should it be? Now it's gonna be like strawberry. Maybe I should make it strawberry flavored. I'm gonna use this red pencil. It's gonna be like strawberry sauce. And the cheeks can be pink or red. I'll do those later. And inside the mouth can be red if you want. And I think let's see. I think I'll leave this vanilla too, the flavor of the ice cream. The color will be white, like vanilla. You can do any color you want. Done. Alright. Let's see. I'm going to use this red marker. Here. the mouth and the cheeks. And that's it. Here's my popsicle and my ice cream cone. Bye, and I hope you enjoyed this video.